There are times when we get a PDF file containing test cards from several students. Now these cards will be given to each student. But how can they be divided if the cards are combined in one PDF file? The car is that we separate it first, then we divide it. It is very easy to separate it, but what is important is that we need our computer or laptop to be connected to the internet network because later it will be separated online. After your laptop or computer is connected to the internet, open the ilovepdf.com site. Maybe some of my friends are familiar with this site. Okay, then friends, choose Split PDF. Select the PDF file to split. Then select Extract Pages. Friends can see the PDF file that was previously one into several files depending on how many pages there are. After that, you can leave the extract mode to extract all pages. Then select Split PDF to proceed to the splitting process. Now after that, friends can download the PDF which has been separated, or it will be downloaded automatically after the process is complete. The file that was downloaded earlier will be in the form of a RAR file. Friends, make a separate folder, then extract the RAR file earlier in the folder so that it doesn't scatter later or get mixed up with other files. So how about friends, how easy is it? That's how to separate a PDF file into several new files. I hope this tutorial can be useful for all of you.